You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
Girls are having a nice little lazy afternoon. Hi, Minnie. Hey, Rosie. You girls gonna help me clean? Yeah? You gonna help me? So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and clean up this little mess here in the living room. We have to decide where we're hanging up all of our picture frames, so I feel like things have just been accumulating on this table. We've sat at this table like once. Need to find a space for that. Just a little bit of mess in this area, things I didn't know where to put, and then don't mind the wee pads. This room is just a mess. We are going to spend a whole lot of time in here for today. I did some laundry and obviously it just overtook this whole entire space. We're going to get this laundry put away, get this space all cleaned up. I've been traveling pretty much every weekend since we have moved into the new place, so it's just like a mess. Side note, I love this new drying rack. It's actually from Aldi, like the store, like the grocery store. And yeah, it's super cool. It like, you put the hangers in here and it just, I don't know, it doesn't take up a ton of space. And it works really well for dresses. Versus, I really do like this thing, but this thing takes up like half the room, whereas this doesn't take up much room. So check out your Aldi if you are interested in that. If I can find a link to it, I'll link it, but I'm gonna doubt that they have a link to it. So, all right, anyway, enough rambling. Let's get into the cleaning portion of this video.
And drunk at night, in LA picking fights. I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love of a different kind, but we still have no control. 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. No, we don't like to talk, we're not so good for words, that's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through, always let our bodies talk. 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. Will we hang on, or will we end just like this? Will we find home, or will we stay just like this? 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. asking. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
That wraps up this week's cleaning motivation video. I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. Make sure you guys stick around because my next video is going to be a house tour. I can't wait to show you guys the full effect of our new house. We are so excited to live here. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye.